How can I create a Steam account from my mobile phone, let it be iOS or let it be Android phone? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you all the steps regarding creating a new Steam account on your device. So to do it on mobile you can choose two methods. The first one is website, the second one is application. If you want to do it from the app, you have to download the application from the app store. Let me see that if it's available for you, or rest we will go on the website. So on the app store, let me search for Steam mobile here, and yes, the app is available. You can download it and then you can try to do this thing in your application. But if you want to create with website, that will be more easier for you. Click on your Safari browser here. On the search bar you have to search Steam login, and you will see your first website in front of you. Here you have to click direct option to create your account. Click on it and it will redirect you to the account creation page. Here choose what will be the name of your Steam account, like I will enter my name. Here you have to choose your password which you want to set on your account. Then you have to click on the done button. Then it will verify you. It will demand for an OTP on your registered email ID. Then your account will be successfully open or